Welcome to my home. We are here at my place in Italy with my folding magic table. This magic table means a lot to me because I managed to do a lot of different things that I could never done without it so easily. For example, a lot of time my kids want to play around the house and I want to relax on the sofa while reading a book or having a coffee. I can do that. We have all our personal space and we are not crowded in a corner. Some other times my kids want to play with me on the table directly. They can also do that. I really like to use my magic table while I'm in smart working. So I want to be in my sofa. I raise the magic table at the height that I need. I use my laptop, I have a cup of tea there. I can answer my business call and do whatever I need to do while I'm at home. Or I raise the table at the maximum height to use it like a real desk. With my colleague, we can extend the table at the maximum length using our folding chairs and work with our double screen, the pens, the agenda, wherever we need to work on it. I've always had a passion in organizing events and parties at my place, and with my magic table I can do that. When it is raised at the maximum height like this, I can have an happy hour on it with some snacks or drinks with my friends. When the happy hour is over, we usually have dinner. If we're just in 4 people, we can take the folding chairs from the container cabinet, put them around the table, and that's it. Some other times we are in more friends, so I need to extend my magic table. In order to do that, I can unhook the legs underneath the top and pull the structure. And to open it is like a book page, very easy and fast. What I really appreciate is when my friends tell me that they can sit wherever they like in the magic table without touching their knees, so they're comfortable and I can enjoy the moment. Our evenings do not end with a dessert, but we usually have fun playing some board games or card games, wherever. Once my friends left, I need to tidy up, so I take a damp cloth and warm water. I just clean the top of the table. I can move the table thanks to those 2 wheels that are turning, and I can vacuum cleaning, and everything is done in a few seconds. I bought my folding magic table a while ago and I really love it because I can save space in my living room and also enjoy every moment with my family and friends.